Well, we're just doing a walk in the woods. Get some fresh air. It's a nicer day than it was yesterday. I'm back up at Alice Lake. Oh, we're in the campground now, so I need to find another spot to roam around here. All right, Journey, come on. We're gonna have to go back because it's the campground. Hey, we'll have to find another spot. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Holly Bear, come on. Oh, goodness me. Oh, there's a little shrub monkey going up the tree. I don't know if you can see that. I can hear the ravens again. You're not paying attention, eh? There was a shrub monkey that just went up the tree. And when I was a kid, my sister taught me about Devil's Club, and that's what this plant is right here. And she said, do not grab the stem. And that's why. And you can see on the stalk here all the thorns on it, and it leaves, if you grab onto it, and I've done it when I was a kid by accident, it gives you one hell of a rash. It's nasty, nasty stuff. Hence the reason why they call it Devil's Club. Where are you going, Holly? This old tree with all the moss on it. This is so cool. Listen to the ravens, eh? Just covered in moss. Hey, old bear. You just want to keep going, don't you? All right, let's go. Let's go. Careful, love. You be careful now. So it was quite a nice day today, as far as socializing and stuff, and the weather's been beautiful. Chrome stopped by in Squamish, and I guess he's heading back from being here on the mainland. His mother passed away, so he was taking care of some business in that respect. And I think he's either going back tonight or possibly tomorrow. But he stopped off in Squamish to say hello to everybody. And to show us his new rig. It looks pretty darn cool. Super jacked up. He's got his new suspension under there, and I think he's still waiting on his upgraded differential. So that's still got to be done. And That'll be installed next. But yeah, the van looks really, really sharp. I've got some footage in here that I'll add to this video. But it was nice to see him, nice to see Cruz. I got some footage of Cruz too. Super sweet little dog. Well, he's not such a little dog, he's a big boy. Anyway, and then I thought we would come back up to Alice Lake and maybe check out some of these trails. Take the girls for a walk and get a bit of exercise. As you can tell, I'm huffing and puffing. I'm seriously out of shape. And I need to do something about that. So it's about time I get back out in nature and I start doing some hiking. I can definitely feel it in my chest as far as breathing. And my legs are weak, so that's not good. I need to start getting back my strength. And my cardio needs improving. So that's what we're doing. What are you doing in there? Huh? What are you doing in there? And Holly Bear's always raring to go. Even though, it's mosquitoes. Even though she has a hard time nowadays, she's still wanting to go. And she pulls me pretty good, so. All right, Bear. You ready? Are we gonna go? Yeah? Okay. Man. I feel like I'm gonna die. Okay. Let's hike. It's never a good sign when you're 14, well, she's almost 14. 14-year-old dog is outdoing you. That's a bad sign. Wild ginger. Interesting. You and your sticks, huh? You and your sticks. Holly Bear doesn't give a crap. She just wants to keep walking. Yeah, well, that's what happens when you start eating sticks. You're gonna take me out at the kneecaps, dog. Silly. You bring in your stick? Get your stick. Goodness me. Look at this big old stump. That's a pretty big stump. Come here, you guys. Come here. It's got a tree growing out of it. Look at this thing. That tree that's growing out of it, there's its root system. All the way up and out the top. Look at that, eh? Incredible. When one life ends, another begins. Huh. Would have been a big old cedar, I'm thinking. Old growth. It never ceases to amaze me how beautiful places like this, when they're opened up to the public, how much noise pollution ends up happening. I don't understand the mentality of some people. They bitch and complain about, oh, you know, we want to get away. We want to go where we can relax and peace and quiet, blah, blah, blah. I seek that out all the time, and I'm sincere about it. When I want to go somewhere to seek peace and quiet and solitude and serenity, that's exactly what I expect. But as you can hear in the distance, the campground's over there. And again, we're at Alice Lake. But you can hear in the distance there's hooting and hollering and yahooing and clapping and banging on, I don't know if it's drums or what, but if I had come with with my van even, or a tent or a camper, trailer, whatever, to camp at this campsite, and I heard that ruckus, I wouldn't be very impressed at all. I don't understand people. I really don't. And this is why I chose van life. Because I can go anywhere where there's nobody. And if there's somebody there, just turn around and drive away and go somewhere else. You hear the raven? Yo! Yo! That's the noise I would rather hear. I don't want to hear all this, ruckus and shouting and screaming and banging on drums and clapping hands and yahooing and hooting and hollering. No, thank you. Sorry. Go away. The sounds that I want to hear when I come out into the bush like this is the sounds of nature, or the sounds of silence. I don't want to hear people. And when I come out to places like this, I don't even, like, I'm doing this because I'm vlogging right now and I'm talking, but I don't even like to hear the sound of my own speaking. Like, I just don't want to hear it. I come here for the serenity and the solitude and the silence. And I just want to hear nature. I want to hear the birds. I want to hear the ravens. I want to hear... That's an owl. That's what I want to hear. How perfect was that? I wish I could identify what kind of an owl that is simply by the hooting, but I'm no expert. That's gorgeous. That was perfect. That's what I want to hear, not people. Oh, careful, Bubba. Oh, no. Are we done? Well, I'll wrap it at that. That nice little last shot of the lake there. I'm standing on a log. It's a little bit sketchy. We're bouncing all over the place. Anyway, thanks for joining us again. This is Alice Lake again. We came up just because it's a beautiful day today and I just wanted to see the lake in a different light. Just take a little walk through the some of the trails that the dogs were allowed on. So yeah, it's been a great day today. You can hear the water splashing up underneath this log. Anyway, guys, take care. Stay safe. Yeah, life's a journey. Enjoy the ride. But yeah, stay safe, guys. Until next time, take care. Look at this now. That's Chrome's new van. Well, new suspension. Look at these tires. Jeez.
The important one's on the inside. The important one is on the inside.
Ah, Cruz. Hey, buddy. That's sweet. Looking good. What's going on, bud? What are you doing?
Did you hear that? Look at all that room you got, buddy.
Did you get a drink, Cruz? Did you get a drink, buddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where is he? Where's Daddy? Go find Daddy. Where's Dad? Where's Dad? There he is. Where?
Long weekend, eh?
Hey, Journey. Hey?